Arjun lived in Chennai, a busy city in southern India. He was 20 years old and dreamed of getting a job in Singapore. But one thing stood in his way: English. At school, Arjun never felt confident in English class. He could write basic sentences, but speaking was hard. He often froze when someone asked him a question. The words were in his head, but fear held them back. One day, his cousin Rakesh, who worked in Dubai, visited during the summer. "If you want to grow fast in life," Rakesh said, "you need English, not just grammar, but confidence." Arjun nodded. He felt a mix of determination and doubt. "How do I learn fast?" he asked. Rakesh smiled. "I'll show you what worked for me." Together, they created a plan. Every morning, Arjun watched one English video on YouTube with subtitles. He paused, repeated, and mimicked every line. At night, he recorded voice notes on his phone, speaking about his day. "Speak about anything," Rakesh said. "Your food, your thoughts, your goals. Speaking builds speed." Arjun also kept a journal where he wrote 3 new sentences a day. He used words like happiness, effort, and freedom, abstract nouns that gave shape to his dreams. Soon he practiced speaking with friends on Zoom. His voice still shook, but he smiled more even when he made mistakes. "You're improving," said his friend Neha from Kolkata. "You sound more natural now." By the end of 3 months, Arjun had changed. His speech was faster, his words clearer, and his confidence unshakable. He no longer feared interviews. He embraced them. He applied for a job at an international company. During the final interview, the manager asked, "What made you learn English so quickly?" Arjun smiled. "I stopped waiting. I started speaking." He got the job.